So next we're going to learn how to hold your hook and how to hold your yarn. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to hold your hook and 2 ways to hold your yarn. So first of all, you can either hold your hook like a pencil. You can either hold your hook this way or you can hold it this way. I prefer to hold it this way, but you can either hold your hook this way or this way, whichever works for you. And as for your yarn, there are 2 ways to hold your yarn. So you're going to be using all of your left fingers. So the first way is you're going to take your yarn, then you're going to place it in the middle of these 2 fingers. You're going to place it in the middle. So you're going to close it, then bring it right up this way. So you're going to use these 2 fingers, your thumb and this finger. You're going to use it to hold this part right here. So then you can pass your hook and crochet. So let me repeat that again. Take your yarn, place it in the middle of these 2 fingers here, then close it. Make sure that you close it tight. Now place it right this way. Then use your thumb and this other finger to hold this part. Make sure that this side is tight. If not, you keep having loose stitches. So make sure that this side is tight. Once you hold it, make sure that it is tight. Now the second method, this is the method that I use and this is my best method. So you're going to take your yarn, then you're going to place it above this finger. Next, you're going to use your middle finger and your thumb to hold this side here. So you're going to use the last 2 fingers to hold this part here this way. So you're going to place it this way. Let me repeat that again. You're going to take your yarn and place it above this finger here. Next, you're going to use your middle finger and your thumb to hold this part here. Next, you're going to use your last 2 fingers under to hold the yarn. This way you can control the tension of the yarn.